Well, here it is, the finished article. This is the restored Neslien Wooden Tool Box with its new drawers, new drawer handles. I just want to say that it was never my intention to recreate identical replicas of the original drawers that were in this toolbox. That's way beyond my very simple woodworking skills. I'm not a carpenter or cabinet maker, so I wouldn't even attempt to make the lovely jointed drawers of the originals. I just wanted to restore this to a working condition with the original number of drawers, which I've done. Let's raise the camera up a little bit higher so you can see the actual drawers. Yeah, it's I think come out very nicely. It's one of my new drawers, and it works very well. I was very lucky. I was able to get a new strap handle for the top. Found a Saddler's in the UK that sells these very cheap. I think it's about £5 or £6, something like that. And that is pretty much identical to the one that was on there originally, except it's got brass fittings instead of the chrome ones. But yeah, that's it. I'm well pleased with it. It's now a proper, fully functioning toolbox. As you can see, it's got stuff in it. Yeah, and it worked out quite well. I did make a front for it, although I don't actually use the front very much. But here we go. This is just a bit of 18mm ply, which fits. It's a nice fit in there, and then there's your key. All does up quite nicely. I leave it off most of the time purely because there's no need to have it. There's no need to have it on at all. Yes, so yeah, quite pleased with that. It worked out quite nicely. Anyway, I hope that this is interesting, and thanks very much for watching, and that's it for the Neslien Toolbox. Cheers.